তোমার হাতটা এরকম হলো কি করে বলো?
দুষ্ট লোকেরা নিয়ে চলে গিয়েছে।
আমার ছেলের কি অবস্থা করলো?
These are some of the children who, in the Indian state of West Bengal, have been maimed, injured, or killed by homemade bombs. The BBC has uncovered reports of at least 565 children in the state who have been wounded, sometimes fatally, by so-called crude bombs since 1996, many during election season. To understand why so many children have been hurt like this, we need to begin with West Bengal's culture of political violence. Violence in which the weapon of choice is often the crude bomb.
Sitting cross-legged on the floor of his home, building deadly devices, they're packed with shrapnel like nails, fins, nuts, and bolts.
Gangs of political activists use crude bombs to intimidate rivals, to break up opposition rallies, or to assert control over a neighborhood.
Bombs, arson, attacks, clashes among political parties seem to be commonplace in West Bengal in election season.
বম দিয়ে আমি এলাকা দখল করতে পারি, এলাকা ডমিনেট করতে পারি, আমি শত্রুকে ঘায়েল করতে পারি, শত্রুকে মেরে দিতে পারি।
Crude bombs are illegal and often get stashed in out-of-the-way places. That's where children find them, mistake them for toys, and end up maimed, blinded, or dead.
গিয়ে দেখি পাশের বাড়ি দাদাদের কলের পাশে একটা বল পড়ে আছে। আমি বল ভেবে সেটা বাড়ি আনি।
এই জায়গাটা ভুঁড়ি বার হয়ে গেছে, তখন আমি কাঁদছি, বলছি কে কোথায় আসিস তোরা ঠেকা। হাত নেই পেটে, তখন এই আমার কাপড় দিয়ে এরকম করে চেপে ধরেছি।
There are no publicly available data on crude bomb child casualties in West Bengal. So the BBC looked through every edition of two respected Bengali newspapers for the last 28 years, searching for reports of children who have been caught up in these explosions. Most reports are cursory at best. Some don't even give names. But taken together, they reveal the devastating scale of the carnage. Hundreds of children injured or killed by crude bombs in the pages of just these two newspapers. We begin in 1996, when 13 children were reported killed by crude bombs and another 33 were reported maimed or injured. Among them was a boy called Puchu, then 9 years old.
ইলেকশনের দিন আমরা বাচ্চারা কি করব? যারা তো ভোটার তো হয়েছে, তারা তো ভোট দিতে যাচ্ছে, আমরা তো আর ভোট দিতে যাচ্ছি না।
Puchu and his friends went to play cricket. In a plastic bag, they found some round objects and mistook them for balls.
খেলতে খেলতে যখন আমরা ওই বলটা দিয়ে এরকম যখন ব্যাটটাকে মারি, মারাটা যখন ওই তখনই বাসটা হয়েছে।
Two of Puchu's friends died in the blast. The next day, a report in The Statesman caught the eye of Bengali singer Kabir Suman. Horrified, he wrote a song protesting the state's culture of crude bomb violence. Little Raju lost his eyes, sang Suman. How's that?
আমি ওই যে গানটা তৈরি করেছিলাম সেটা কিন্তু নিষ্ঠুরতা শুধু না, ভোট এবং বোমার যোগাযোগ।
1996 was a bad year, but there is no year without child casualties. On average, the two publications contained reports of 20 children killed or injured by crude bombs in West Bengal every year. One child every 18 days. In more than 60% of cases, the reports reveal that these children were hurt or killed while they were out playing. These are not just data points. Every one of these dots represents a child with a name and a family. In 2009, it was Priyanka, injured by shrapnel when she was 8 years old. In 2015, it was Bapan, hit in the face and hands when he was 5. In 2018, it was Polumi, whose hand was blown off by a crude bomb when she was 7.
তোমার হাতটা এরকম হলো কি করে বলুমি?
দুষ্ট লোকেরা নিয়ে চলে গেছে, কষ্ট হচ্ছে।
2 years later, another little girl, 10-year-old Sabina, suffered an almost identical injury.
পানি খাওয়া কষ্ট হয়, ভাত খেতে গেলে কষ্ট হয়, গা ধুতে অসুবিধা হয়, জামা পরতে অসুবিধা হয়, পায়খানায় গেলে কষ্ট হয়।
Sabina was not counted among the 565 children reported injured or killed by crude bombs because, as far as we know, her case was not reported in any newspaper. 2 of her cousins, injured in the same blast, also went uncounted. Sabina and her cousins cannot be the only children whose stories never made the press. Because no one is counting, no one knows how many more children, in addition to the 565 we know about, have lost their hands, their eyes, or their lives to West Bengal's culture of political violence. Puchu was injured on polling day in May 1996. Polumi was injured 3 weeks before village council elections in April 2018. This child Afroz was killed just days before assembly elections in March 2021. Even outside of election season though, West Bengal's children are not safe. These devices are still being made, being stored and being found. This is a tragedy that never ends. But whether the polls are open or closed, the violence is rooted in West Bengal's politics, according to many of those who have watched it unfold year after year.
কোন ইলেকশন হয় তখন দেখবেন বোমের যথেচ্ছ ব্যবহার হয়, শৈশব এবং কৈশোর তার আটার অ্যাবিউজ হচ্ছে একদম।
দেখেছি যে ভোটের আগে, ইলেকশনের আগে এই জিনিসগুলো পশ্চিমবাংলায় ভীষণ বেড়ে যাচ্ছে, যে পার্টি ক্ষমতায় থাকুক না কেন।
Kabir Suman, who wrote the song protesting crude bombs back in 1996, puts it more plainly.
বানানো হচ্ছে কেন? বানানো হচ্ছে ভোটে সন্ত্রাস করার জন্য।
28 years after Suman wrote Howzat, there is no sign that crude bomb violence is coming to an end. Among reports of crude bomb casualties during India's 2024 general election is a story about a blast which killed a 9-year-old boy and seriously injured 2 of his friends.
Some breaking news coming in. We're learning that a minor has been killed in an explosion.
Another mother mourning a child killed by a crude bomb.
আপনি আমার ছেলেটা নিয়ে আসবে, কি নিয়ে আসবে আমার ছেলেটা রে? আপনি আমার ছেলেটা নিয়ে চলে আসবে।
9-year-old Raj Biswas was playing near a pond with friends when they came across the explosives. As so many children have done before them, they started playing with the bombs, thinking they were balls.
আমার ছেলের কি অবস্থা করলো?
As Raj is laid to rest, just 500 meters away, thousands are attending a political rally, part of campaigning for the general election. The chanting crowd can be heard on the wind.